Hello, welcome back. Well, final update. As you can see, we have some rubble, we have a bucket, we have a boom arm. Oh, we got some threads. Yeah, he's complete. And he's nice, I like it. Oops, sorry. It looks nice. It can turn. Hello. Oh yeah, see? It can drive. The whole shebang can turn on its pistol, I don't know. And yeah, overall, it's a nice set. Especially if you want to start a construction zone. Is that? You're kidding me? Huh, so you got another one. Let's take a look at that later. But yeah, so my thoughts. I think I need a cement mixer and some other constructions vehicles, tools, I don't know. So I have to take a look on the internet. What's there? But overall, I like it. Can't wait for another set. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to leave a like, share and comment and subscribe. You help me, you help them, you help everyone. Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.